Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to check our system versions, Android versions, etc. in Realme 14x phone. So first we need to go to settings, excuse me, from the beginning. So settings first, then we need to scroll all the way down to the About Device option. And then we need to scroll again, and here we have the version menu. So when we tap it, we have every possible version of our programs. So we have main version, kernel, we have UI version, hardware version, and Android version, and even we have the last Android system security update. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.